Yensuru FIFA. Ghana for Yensuru FIFA. Ghana for Yensuru FIFA. Yemfa football ni masa corrupt football people we mo. Sa rot corrupt football people. Football ni go mo. Let me hear that. Show up head of the pa. More fire for fire. Fantastic Tuesday. And a date in here say mon can't me. We don't see more. A date in here say 14th day. 14th August. More fire. 30th August, yeah, my birthday, my fire birthday, more fire. No time for any imbecility. FIFA can never be bigger than Ghana. Inti Ghana is bigger than FIFA. Corruption no way football, no, and then they are fighting. Isaac Esiama, Jai concert in the sports minister. Jai concert in the sports minister. Na mun kan hu na say mu begina mo na so am FIFA hu say corruption me we football mu no Ghana bigger than that FIFA. More fire insuru mama ukwanya kan feelings pa in a professional way you all see enyansu asupa the whole Ghana will be am na fire for fire so no be am be fire kan kire FIFA say on so nchen Ghana say corruption in football mu. Yes, we were mra. Who FIFA we cool association. Ghana a cool country. It won't soon change into zero FIFA. No. Corruption away football, you be too assy. You be too assy. No way, we will never back up. And ya dear, you best under that. Yeah, a quick piece will see a Ghana football. There's no way. To FIFA. Ujana shishino kura. Soviet state to beat me chile a Ghana shishu FIFA no kura. Ghana for me this is fire for fire. Adum TV me fire no with the contempt I deserve. It was also fire. Very professional. My FIFA we say Ghana switching fire band them professional. More fire. My bet, place you bet. You bet this guy chacha professional. MyBet.com. Place you bet. You bet this guy chacha professional. Me come baby I go shopping. Honey I go shopping. Baby girls you go shopping. Correct baby girls you go shopping. Me come honey I go shopping. Casa paint. More fire. Casa paint. Here casa paint. They are painting with you. Painting extreme quality. More fire. Van capsules. Oba. Ojo so why I say oh ya. Bema ojo so why I say oh ya. Obema mu ya pa okoti mu sebi ya pa bema ojo so. Junso ya oba over jana no. Ya. Here so be no madre fe no Van capsules. More fire. Ujane show abede obeba fire burn you. Adum TV now channel call at Country Master go Twitter call Facebook Adum TV fire for fire call YouTube fire for fire Adum TV ne fire oh live for Asempa 94.7 FM and crying. I said there from Otakrade. More fire. The whole Ghana. No water can quench your fire for fire. No time for any imbecility. Ghana good emunsem chirawagine na men chiramagine. O si ye nyansu asupa. Awo Ghana ya good emunsem. More fire. Kumasi asante kotoko ni de mebaho. More fire. Dr. Kwame Chase is supposed to know. And what's the sanko for fire uncle for fire the oh fire me pay. But oh fire, see nya this is super. Right thinking people more fire. And then you will FIFA. We don't fear FIFA. You should FIFA. There's no way you should FIFA. Because Ghana ni bia who say Ghana is bigger than FIFA. It's a dear Ghana. You should say FIFA be suspend ye. And I say FIFA be ban ye. Football one fight corruption. No because of corruption. Se ufi se who clear. Se corruption wo unya hu clear. Se evidence no enye clear. Ye court no. Ye Ghana for ye court no ye de commission of inquiry. Brazil World Cup ye ko gu ye hu animase. I be set up commission of inquiry white paper. Ye de kan ho e na attorney general mo e de court. Into already know corruption no there. You say e wo ye football mu. Enti Ghana for you should ban bia na say FIFA ebe dey ebe ma ye suspension. Aye clear to us. Aye clear to us from the beginning. Say kwa bias no ye Ghana for no sa corruption ye hu ye football mu. Even to the extent say ye for criminal matters. GFA ho criminal matters sisi wo ekwo mu fa so di football ye criminal things. Attorney general no womu court no womu enim issues ni nti na womu di court na say ewo court womu so womu gu afi no enti enya de ebe mu obi akwan no why dey why interfere FIFA ye ma kwan e ma wom fa wo nan bewuregura ma na say womfa sa FIFA na ye wo rules no emfa bewuregura mu Ghana ye wo ye mra ye so chen wo FIFA no enti enya dia corruption e wo ye football mu enye ne ye football asai na ye tu keta se corruption e free ye football mu na wo ba be ma ye mra fon a ye nsoso so ana say ye mpe. There's no way wo wie so abema ultimatum wo be ma ye time check of it. FIFA se wo ba be ka kire Ghana se ultimatum ye mamomre mo anya ye be suspend mo ye so suspension ye chi Mr. Blatter no se mo se obi antimi ma se o ya enka Switzerland aban no ba bia mo wona ankasa no o mutimi ebowram office dey ekoche Mr. Blatter no. What are you telling us? Se mutimu mpe katasisa ene Ghana for yesu mpe katasisa ye football katasisa corruption na say ye football eti ye catch the FIFA ne say ye ye to corruption as you otiase enye number 12 nko na ye to corruption as o football mu enye no nko a lot of issues bebre no efa ye football ho say no mu di GF ne ye bad deals and no money and no more the GF and instead also money so a football ma Ghana football a tumpano woman yan sama Ghana football tumpo enti it's how corruption na ye no ye tu asie ye mfa ho any suspension ye slow suspension ye ma football no kodi sa criminals crooks way ho biem. Say these football people are so-called football people, these crazy football people, no way. There's no way. Ghana football no me fireman me a Kufuado a sports ministry and a minister obetina say football sound come back to sound for we no way. Munyina munaso Ghana buying sports ministry Ghana for tamachi. Yeah, country of rule of law. Law no emrano ho. Yeah, empe corruption. President now, what is no onim dia pa. Listen to Coach Opele. Tie Coach Opele. Coach, fire be mame. More fire.
It's almost response to FIFA. Okay, so Bani Cameroon, go share internet, their response to FIFA. There was a time at Cameroon forced sleeveless. FIFA forced change your sleeveless way. Almost forget FIFA. Go share internet. Yes, Cameroon showed their middle finger to FIFA. It's on the internet. And almost at the ball 4 of the AFCON matches. Almost damn FIFA. But Ghanaians have no identity. Tina Motiani Akofa, Guantanamo Bay for near the Abe, Robert Stampo Monamaji. Motiana, the military way up near the Amamonamaji. Yes, we are discovering or Domoba, we are away, no be to me be a bank, no Aboka, near the taxpayers' money, Amano, no, there could be no moody, no Monamosa. FIFA told letter no my saw Bani 20 years, 10 years. FIFA banned Cameroon on 4th July 2013 and lifted the ban by around 21st, 22nd July 2013. People are making it look like FIFA banned I say or banned 20 years, 2 years, 1 year. FIFA can ban you for even 24 hours. Me I left it. I suspension. No, but the public, you know, people are throwing dust into go for. I say FIFA ban I say bibi I who just say Koteki 2 years, 3 years. They have lost it. See a Tiano me say yes so FIFA ban here. Hey, are you not Ghanaians? Yes, I'm trying sorry where do so. Obabesia no see about Kwaku.
Yes. Nabrofujani.
Abrofujani.
Uswadi papa who almost an abrofon.
You see, then send here be heavy.
We have lost it. Nigeria's core.
An astute lawyer. The incorruptible Nana Akufo-Addo. Nana, Miss Rew. You see, so Kwesi Nyantakyi ya wadanfo and a young koto to FIFA near Assembly Suntra. And that's how we are wasting our time. Because Sabunti me who say na there no code ya na madam for na more yet ya please Nana don't let me waste my time talking about identity of Ghana.
They should keep it like that.
They will keep it like that. Because me person me follow Bibia me pay lose. Me pay lose.
You follow just cause.
Yes, me follow just cause. Me person as a sovereign country you ever feel so be a supreme than us.
An association.
Yes, give them the proof. Nana.
That one they shouldn't happen.
Show them this is when the money laundering. Say. Show them.
I don't know.
Unless say it's your friend, and if truly it's your friend, see your kind of video, and it is true, yeah, then we keep quiet and go home.
You keep your friendship.
You keep your friendship.
And we go to bed.
Your friendship against Wenim Guasie, because if this thing backfires, Nana, see, yeah, FIFA banning Ghana and Kenya is on 8th September. 8th September of this year. Ghana, Kenya away. Black Stars. One Ninyoman FIFA and show. Near Bane, na sa match na Masuni free AFCON 2019. Ghanaians sat home watching World Cup. They will be sitting home to watch AFCON 2019.
They will forgive you.
They will not forgive you, Nana Akufo-Addo. So please, who will be here? Yeah. That is why you are the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. And I know, sir, you will never kowtow to any FIFA pressure.
No. FIFA is
but to not kowtow, no. Give us evidence. Yes. Give FIFA evidence. Nana, this is about you and your integrity, Nana Akufo-Addo. I know you to be incorruptible. It is about you and your integrity. Nana Akufo-Addo, penny president of Ghana for 2 Abamano since independence. The First Republic, Second Republic, Third Republic, and Fourth Republic, not for projects, not for one district, one factory, not for dams, not for nothing, but to come and fight corruption. He's the only president that Ghanaians voted for overwhelmingly to come and fight corruption.
Yeah, sure.
So Nana, this is it. This is the time. FIFA has challenged you. FIFA has dared you. FIFA has threatened your land. Nana Akufo-Addo, it's the time for you to prove to everybody, say, you are a man who is incorruptible.
Yes.
Nana, I believe in you. You promised that Ghana will work again. You said to Ghanaians, say, chance, you pleaded, say, give me chance to come and prove myself. Nana, this is the time. Nana Akufo-Addo, your father was the former Chief Justice of this land.
And the former president.
People, and the former president. Yeah. Prove to the people that you are incorruptible. This is the time. Give evidence to FIFA. Let FIFA kowtow. Prove to everybody that you are an astute lawyer.
More fire. President Akufo-Addo. You show me and no pillar fire. You show me Ghana for you say wo corruption won't. We can't go back home. Say you name. Say you reforming Ghana football. enti ye ma ye chi da there's no way Akufo-Addo also usuro FIFA bia Ghana president wo so chen sa FIFA fo no enti sa FIFA fo no there's no way also we dey usuro mu pressure bia Ghana ye usuro mu pressure da ye so chen FIFA corruption no way football mu no kan ye football asay kura mu de mu nim enti enya dia ye bako ye chita anamo na ye tunu FIFA o bando o suspension o entimi nya sheda enya dia be pene enene etina ye nsuro band ye nsuro suspension 0302211701 0302211702 masa lines bi ye mame obi a oba 2 seconds oba 2 seconds 0302211703 0302211704 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 0302211704 why na one man so why Peter who 2 seconds fire yen suro FIFA band kwasam no so yen suro FIFA band koso bon fire
FIFA no do me just na bio o fi ni obi ma tire you
bon fire
you know FIFA wait ma tire because I don't know team continental or Manisika Ministry of Sports Manisika
Ghana Sika yes it
so our continent not Manisika Ministry of Sports Manisika
bon fire Oja Maswell fire bonfire yesuro FIFA ko asem so bonfire
minister enkwata Peter Odia omuto na mo omni FIFA edi no bonfire information ene free ha no mo a o mahu si o mo kokko tro mo dia ma FIFA e ma say let away aba ke kwaku mami ke bibi nsho bonfire yem hu kidi select na abanisi ye withdraw bibia na after say ye bobo ni me na me pa ase ni akọ e na fa so bia ni so ade na ye no oreku the person me bu so FIFA say FIFA let no the buy or say apan any assembly free court na person bu so FIFA say executive committee members na one so akọ so FIFA no watia na so on
oja o crazy FIFA fire no Ishak crazy FIFA bon fire yes no ba ko ko asem no so bon fire
I association and your friends say country beyond the association of our company. Independent Bruno, a man of the year. But don't do on last one of the and some of us say, if I had three at some level report on the nonsense. Nonsense. Prove Ghana high, let's say another Ghana so and the black says it will be. Utu company ne wa dia na ta ko wa no oyere ana wo ba se se ubetuma bunakuno ubunu na e mra na de be yeduma e ka na ye de mra na ye yeduma de ku kwa de ni pe for mo sorry na ka yi prove na mo nya wo nyira no mo fa 3% ye ti na e band wo because mo je money laundry wo no e se akola ya kwa ba ka de briba ye nya wo no pa mo aka ta ka mo de ba ye e go project ka mo de ba ye na mo ko ha yo ma ya wo no e dis ko ma di
oja some fire in FIFA fire some Mon fire. Sam.
Yeah, so
Kwasam no so me pato.
Oh, FIFA ba wa che. Na mi so papa na ka o de president papa na ka band
fantastic. Mon fire. Mon fire. Ghana
so ba yina no. Na ka let ni ke to wa ban na le petit. Na o mo je ja mo kra. O ba te mo fa man dem.
Bon fire. O jam Mr. Do fire. Yes, FIFA. Nonsense. Your president, I am finding Yagro. And who corruption will to us. Bon fire.
Metra by the coffee, no, or my fine last time you made it. Or prosecute you or more.
Bon fire.
Come on, no, Mr. Letter, letters, no. So, FIFA, no, what time the other women's World Cup and every. We give the castle abandon or the alpha band in the government is in charge. There's a football
no way.
If I am money laundry, Nana, when you with any pay money laundry, or that's what you want in the you to do any of that solid. Come on, no man, no attackers, and we to the Ghana for
bonfire.
So much me. Prosecute go forward. Na football no sijina so na so na ye for years area udi nge bo be hwe ho dia to aba ube wi ni hands down with the football for the offer we football year na ka de
ojina mon fire kwase akeka bi ena ayi ye bane a MPP for nonsense corruption no mutu ase no ye pe mo kwase asem na mo de tikruma mama football asay no corruption no ye betu ase ene ne ye beta MPP achi George fire nonsense one is FIFA
Songo
come on give
FIFA say
bon fire
FIFA no ya omomra no mu di no anye no mo be che ogara ha
more fire
na tika no mu di no DFA di no eni ti na ye kata o say ye peti tu o ma ti bigara
more fire
eti FIFA no obeba ne ya obo go be e fa ye ho
more fire
ye ya tam ne say ko ye be fa so be ye football yi ne he de ye
oja abrafobia fire corruption in ekwe be fa so ye be tu corruption no ene ne ye fire ye fa FIFA ho kasa abrafobia
my Togo my fire commanding post and also enterprise Togo that nonsense let the FIFA ba Togo when you are talking about the
they are just crazy they are crazy
I don't believe that
more fire
that kuna ya na personal Togo ya travel
more fire
na me say the minister the blame on ma dey so become because the come that dey simple for ya comfort you can say president ya ana ka down wa metro akwai gama ya no ta dole e ku go ba zu ka take more than 1000 I tell you to president ni di say ma president 5 mama ni vice 3 mama ni minister 2 mama ni 2 mama na bwana e wa e kwa 5322 information I want to see you akaya ni afa ya no ene ni ko no mo video ni awa so ma akaya ni ko ni dia so di se wo Ghana so for that dia kai see tu ka o sia this time man I think for ya na ku ka so e ka ko ba so ma sa o ni ma funu da go de ko because they are there you are too at the ko bi emu ni ata ti o se ti for Ghana because for the ba better the same thing
oja more fire asese wo mama mo ato aso with the fire mama wo so fire na botre mama wo so fire bi ebe sese wo more fire bet yetu ene so aba bet yetu omo ska papa mse udi o machi a woko bet wo a ubenye ska pa omuso discover system nim betting companies bet yetu oja